What's going on there with Cardano? So this is some upgrades, something extremely important going to happen in June, for Cardano. And I'm more than sure, no matter what they trying to deliver, right? You can go and double check it in their official Twitter. But what I know, if before this summer, some project trying to release something, some upgrades or updates or the partnership, it's usually the bearish. Because usually that announcement will be priced in. That's why I'll be not surprised if the Cardano will bounce from now. Now we hold the line pretty strong here, and we rebound to the test of this downtrend line, what we tracked since August 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot of touches, and we're gonna test, I think, 56 or maybe go over this level to the 85, and after that it's gonna be the sell by end of the May. Of course, we got a chance to see something similar to the DeFi summer of 2017. Yes, it's possible, because maybe now the sentiment too bearish, extremely bearish. Even I posted the video about a Polkadot at $1.13 now Polkadot, and some people on Binance write in a comment like 100% short, 100% short position. So the target was at $70, and now people trying to short the Polkadot at $1. So they trying to open longs at $30 or at $50, but now they trying to short it. For what? It's in a risk ratio. Of course, we can go to 0 for any tokens, but I don't see any reason why, based on seasonality, the Cardano should drop now. What's the lowest point I can see for Cardano? It's a sweep of this week low. This one, beginning of February, it was 22 cents. Now it's 24.96. This is a sweep and this sweep. That's why I don't like these actual lows. For me, it's like actual low, and let's mark it, this one. And definitely one day we'll come back and grab that liquidity. That's why for me would be good to sweep it now on the next week, for example, and start climbing up to the main targets, to this order block and to this order block. I don't think so we're going to sweep the strong high this spring, or summer, but the main target for me personally for this year, or maybe for that 2027, it's at least the correction to $1.91. It's a 0.5 followed by FIP, what we tracked since 2021. This is it. Now we're in the global accumulation zone. It's at 27 level, so 32.11. Usually this zone here was like accumulation, here was like accumulation, here's like accumulation. Of course, what is strange, the Cardano is the best, one of the best community, because the people, no matter what happened with the Cardano, right? They always talk about a $5, $10, and now, guys, take a look. After the 5 years, we're the same price like it was in January 2021. What Cardano exactly deliver and the work on the last 5 years, I have no idea. Yes, we can say a lot of altcoins crash it down, but not all communities shield their tokens all the time. So that's a big difference, We have to be realistic with our expectation. That's why let's go back to the daily time frame and take a look. Now, a lot of tokens form similar price action at the bottom, and a lot of people open short positions. So to open short, stop loss could be over than this high, like 6%, with a target like 14. I don't see any reason. So it's like almost 1 to 2 ratio. So no makes sense to short it, right? That's why now better trying to open longs position. I can be wrong, of course, I can be wrong, guys. But let's delete this one. Oh, this is a current price. We can try to open long. For example, this current prices with a stop loss like 6%, but the potential gains, it's the order block. You saw the yesterday, I hope you watched the yesterday video with the 5 altcoins to watch. And after that video, the bio buy a token, pump at 130%. So with second leverage, this could be like 240, 260%. The same story can be with the Cardano now. Now it's 7%, 14% with the second leverage against the 280. This can be the good entry. So that's the point. That's why we now look in the longs position. All right. Now sessions indicator, guys. I would like to double check the yearly open. For Cardano, let's hide the sessions. Yearly open. Turn on. So the yearly open is like a magnet. So it's 33 cents. Definitely we're going to test it, I think, next week. ADZ direction. This is neutral zone. Neutral zone. So it's not bullish, not bearish on the daily. The last signal to buy was here at 24 cents in just 11 days ago. No, nothing. Weekly time frame, of course, we're in accumulation. So last time, guys, when we trade in this type of accumulation, it was here. May 2022 till January 2023. I don't think so we're going to trade same time period, right? But it was total different stage of the market. But I think anyway, this is a signal of accumulation by whales, right? And definitely after the 100% bounce, I recommend it to fix and withdraw initial deposit. It will be not a mistake. This is the accumulation zone. So time to sell going to be here. So you can add alerts on ADZ and wait the signals to sell. Daily time frame, guys, I would like to also show you the money power indicator. Market mood, I guess there is just disbelief, yes, capitulation. So yes, horrible sentiment now in the market. Everybody is shorting, open the short positions because it's just a human behavior. This is the optimism, hopium. Now, let's call it the hopium on market more on 12 time frame. But yes, daily and weekly, it's more than good to try open long. That 12 time frame, no money inflow. Daily time frame, no money inflow. Weekly time frame, the last money inflow was here in the February. That's what, but we're at the bottom, so it's not a time to sell. I added here alert, money inflow, so I wait that notification. So I hope we will see that soon. And here, the take profit and trade on, guys. The horrible scenario, if we crash it down to sweep the equal lows and test the buy line, it's 1871. The spot position, I'm looking for Cardano only at 11. Spot. Futures, and we can try open long now or at the sweep of equal lows. Weekly time frame, we saw on the Reddit. You saw examples, guys, when we trade under fundamental value, in the 90% cases, we come back to test the fundamental value below. So now it's around the yearly open, 30 cents, 19. And the take profit line for the Cardano, it's 80 cents. For example, in November, the take profit was like 85. That's why the lines are dynamic. I highly recommend you just add alert to the lines, not to some specific price. We trade on a 12 time frame in the middle. So it's like neutral zone, not bearish, not bullish. 12-hour time frame, last signal to buy was here in February at the beginning, and no signals to sell yet. That's why I think this is relevant. And we can add alerts to sell, at least to take profit. Take profit from the buys. And I think take profit we're going to see around the 43. And the sell signal we will see around the 58. Wrap this in the comment what you think about Cardano. If you like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.